Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. Today we're going to be talking about quality control. It's one of the most important aspects of building a marathon coach, and we're talking about Coach 1427. As you can see, this is the audit. This is the audit or the control, quality control office. Vern Huber and his team are right now working on 1427. It's going to audit today. 1427 going to audit. Let's go over here. I want to show you a few aspects of it. We're going to go inside it, but they are pulling it out of the production floor right now, and they are going over to audit. We're going to go over here. I know they're in the process right now of pulling those slide rooms in. I saw Vern in there, and so, and I love this paint job. Oh man, take a look at this paint job. And you can see Vern in there right now. But 1427 going to audit, this is something that I really wanted to focus on this morning because the audit process of building a coach is so important. It's been in production for, 4 to 5 months. Started in paint. Well, actually it started in shell prep, then it went to paint, then it came down here, and it lived its life for the last 4 months on our production floor. Getting the wires pulled, getting the cabinetry, the flooring, the ceiling, all the audio visual, everything in. And at this point, as you can see both slides, this is a double slide. Now it's ready to go to audit. Why is it so important? Everything from test drives to pushing buttons to making sure that everything is up to marathon quality. There's so much that the quality control team does to make sure that 1427 is up to marathon quality. Can we ride along with you, Vern? Come on in, Shane. Here we are inside 1427. Vern just pulled it out, and we're just gonna go around the building. And this is something that they do every time it goes from door 35 there on the east side of our building. They go around the building and pull it into the quality control or the audit spot in production. And Vern, one of the things we were talking about is how important it is, how important quality control is, or the audit process is to production. And your team focuses a lot on marathon quality, not just making sure everything is where it's supposed to be per the specs, but making sure that everything is up to quality when it comes to marathon quality, I guess.
Meets our standard, yeah.
Meets our standard. Thank you for saying that. And there's a painted coach that's coming through. It's kind of cool to see. When you first start, and I know you guys take the coaches on test drives, and when you first start the audit process of a coach like 1427, what is the first few steps that you make?
Well, the first few steps, one of the first things we do is we need to be able to actually see the coach. We're actually going to pull as much protection paper off of the cabinets, off the flooring, off of everything like that. Actually, and there's a coach pulling off the one that we're checking in, pulling off the wash rack right now. One of the very first things that we do when we go into audit, depending on the weather, we never know what kind of inclement weather we may have. The first thing we do is we put it on the wash rack and leak test it. That's where we're going to go right now. We want to make certain that if that we pass the leak test before we leave it outside for an extended period of time. That's basically the first test that we do of every audit is leak testing. That's
Gotcha.
where we're going to go right now and start this leak test, and then we'll pull our the rest of our flooring protection off. We want to get a good look at everything, and removing the protection from everything is actually part of that process. So we see a lot when we're uncovering everything. Kind of like I don't know, the first time you pull all the plastic, brand new plastic off your brand new phone.
Yes.
You're seeing it for the first time. That's our first look at everything. But then we get in a little further. We start our systems testing, every switch, every system, every component. We turn it on and off. We're checking it under every power source, shore power, generator power, inverter power. Basically looking for all those types of situations. You can see that we just
I
started.
can see you started the,
We started up our leak test.
the leak test. How
Yep.
long is the leak? It's like 20 minutes, right?
We run a 20-minute leak test with the rooms in and pretty severe amount of water coming down.
Right.
We'll pause the test to run the slide rooms out, and then we'll run it for another 20 minutes. At the end of that period, we're looking in the bays for anything that may have occurred as far as leaks or anything like that as well too. So,
And I have seen the team do this, so that's kind of how I knew it was 20 minutes. So after they do the leak test with the slides in, they run the slides out, they do more water on it, and then I've seen you guys go around with flashlights and looking for, is there anything that's been compromised from a leak standpoint?
Yeah.
And that's really crucial.
it is, water penetration into the coach is going to cause more damage than anything that's going to occur.
Sure.
It's as far as from a maintenance standpoint, from a service standpoint, that's one of the things that the customer, they need to be the most aware of. That's probably one of the key maintenance aspects of owning a coach is making certain that you're staying up on your inspections, making certain that everything is staying watertight.
Gotcha.
Because it's gonna be the kind of damage that gets expensive really fast if you have water intrusion.
The water test, so important. Really appreciate talking with Vern and having his team allow us to come and stand in the rain for the water test. This is what we do at Marathon. The audit process, the quality control team, such a big part of production. I'm gonna need a shower after this, or maybe not. I love this. Anyway, like I always say, be yourself and do good things, take care of each other, and don't forget, if you're looking to get into a marathon, MALW, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. What a beautiful day. Take care of yourself.